Have you ever seen snow?
Have you ever seen your dad? Damn, I didn't even know you dropped that, bro.
What?
All that in your mouth. You the tiniest celebrity.
You know what else is little?
The amount of time your dad was in your life.
That can make out of like a 3D printer and shit. Low-key unstoppable. Them can make anything, gang.
Could they make your dad come back in your life, though? You ever had a matter daddy?
What's the matter, daddy?
Nothing, I'm good.
Hey! Yo! Get out!
Who is that? Okay, alright. Bomba class, Bomba leave, close the door.